Water is pumped into a partially filled swimming pool at a constant rate of 10 gallons per minute through an inlet pipe. At the same time, water is pumped out of the swimming pool at a constant rate of 10 gallons every 2.5 minutes through an outlet pipe. At what rate in gallons per minute is the amount of water in the swimming pool increasing? Okay, I can say the rate of ingressing water plus the rate of taking out the water of the swimming pool should be the total amount of water, let's call that W, that is increasing in 1 minute. So what is the rate of ingress? That is 10 gallons divided by minute. On the contrary, what is the rate of water coming out of the swimming pool? Well, it is 10 gallons over 2.5 minutes. But notice that here, while water is being pumped out through the other inlet pipe, water is being pumped into the pool. So these two are opposite to each other because they work in different directions. So it would be sensible to put a negative sign to that rate. So here would be 10 gallons per minute minus 4 gallons per minute. And that would be 6 gallons per minute. This is W over 1 minute. So the answer is 6. That is it. So we can also use the concept of work with rates of activities that are performed at the same time.